Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. That's My Knowledge Park, and today we have to discuss regarding the same topic, that is the model question paper of 10th standard first language English. In that one, the first question will be there of MCQs. In MCQs what will be given? MCQs के अंदर क्या दिया जाएगा? युवा MCQs के अंदर you will have been given four alternatives and you have to select the most appropriate among the four alternatives and you have to fill in the blanks. It is meant for 6 marks. Always in 10th standard annual exam, maybe it is in preparatory, or whenever the model or module, whenever the tests are going to conduct, then and then such type of the problems are supposed to be asking. Now, second one, it is there, it's an analogy. What is analogy? Analogy is such type of the facts, or it is one of the parts of the model question paper. In that one, what you have to do? In that one, it is clearly informs you that study the first pair of the, or study the relationship of the first two pair of the words and complete the series. आपको एनालॉजी के अंदर ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया जाएगा, कैसे कि वह दो जो वर्ड्स दिए हैं उसकी पहले रिलेशनशिप क्या है पहचानना है, और रिलेशनशिप पहचान के आने वाला जो वर्ड है या आने वाली जो सीरीज है उसको कंप्लीट करना है. कैसे करेंगे? ऑलरेडी आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स, and what is given over here, that examples already it has been given, and already the study the relationship between the two first pair of the words and complete the series. Such type of the problems you have been given. अब क्या है? Cow stands for oxen. What it is going to express? Cow जो है ये cows plural noun है, और ये oxen जो है cows का plural noun oxen होता है. Cows oxen, oxes नहीं, that is wrong. So cows oxen, and that too what it is there? Plural nouns, that antonym is there. यानी कि अनेक वचन का विरोधी लफ्ज आपको अनेक वचन में दिया है. Cows is going to express the meaning of oxen. It means what will express that antonym of, what will be the antonym of fountain? If cows standing for oxen, then fountain stands for what? In the same way, nightmare is going to express the meaning of dream. What it is there in first one? In first one, that the selector or the first one is asked the antonyms of the forthcoming word. In second one, what is asked? In second problem, that synonym is asked. How synonym is asked? Nightmare is going to stands for dream. In the same way, spinster stands for what? First one, cow stands for oxen. Then fountain stands for what? In the same way, third problem. What is the third problem? It is deep. What is deep? Deep is an adjective. And deep is an adjective. The adjective form of the verb is deep, and that adjective's second form or relation is depth. So adjective is going to express the meaning of, deep is going to express the meaning of adjective, then depth is going to express the meaning of noun. एक विशेषण दिया है और उसका नाम आपको ऑलरेडी उसके सामने दिया है, तो ये जो एसोसिएट है ये एसोसिएट वर्ब भी है एंड एडजेक्टिव भी है. तो ये एडजेक्टिव एसोसिएट है, उसका नाउन फॉर्म क्या आएगा ये पूछा जाएगा. ठीक उसी तरह we, it is a plural pronoun, and we is going to express, or it is going to show the relationship in between we and ourselves. So that reflective pronoun of we is ourselves. Then what will be the reflective pronoun of them? Such type of the problems are generally occurred in 10th standard annual exam, that to the first language in English, generally in Karnataka. What we have to do? We have to first understand that what exactly is the relation is there between the two words. दो वर्ड्स के अंदर क्या रिलेशन है उसके बारे में हम पहचानना, और आने वाला जो सीक्वेंस है या सीरीज है उसको कंप्लीट करना। क्या बोलता है एनालॉजी? एनालॉजी इज गोइंग टू से आस्क यू दैट व्हाट study the relationship of the first two pair of the words and complete the series. Now cows, oxen, जैसे कि child, children, in the same way, sorry, जैसे क्या हुआ, मेल फीमेल और मेन वुमेन, in the same way cows, oxen. Then fountain, what it is there? Fountain, that opposite of fountain, I mean the antonym of fountain is waterfall. What? Why it is waterfall? Yeah, fountain, a fountain. Fountain, actually music fountains are there. If you have taken the example of what we can say Vrindavan garden of Mysuru, there are the music fountains. Fountains, these are artificial. Try to understand it, dears. फाउंटेन जो है आर्टिफिशियल होता है, वाटरफॉल जो है नेचुरल है, लेकिन द फ्लोइंग, द एक्शन ऑफ फ्लोइंग वाटर इज from the beginning of the earth, and that has been called as a fountain, but the flow of water is from up, that has been called as a waterfall, if it is natural. Mind it what I am going to tell you. So what we have to think, we have to think that study the first two pairs of the words, or study the relationship of the first two pair of the words and complete the series. उतना ही देखना है हमें, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं। बस हमें ये क्लू है। क्या क्लू दिया गया है? एनालॉजी के अंदर आपको नाउन के बारे में पूछता है, प्रोनाउन के बारे में पूछता है, एडजेक्टिव के बारे में पूछता है, एडवर्ब के बारे में पूछता है, उसके साथ साथ प्रीपोजिशन के बारे में पूछता है, आफ्टर दैट इंटरजेक्शन के बारे में पूछता है, कंजंक्शन के बारे में पूछता है, एंड इवन नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन के बारे में, या सिंगुलर का प्लूरल. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट ही विल आस्क, यस व्हाटएवर द थिंग्स are involved in a grammar, such type of the problems you are supposed to be asked. So that what you have to do, first of all, वो जो क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला है बहुत होशियार होता है, वो आपको अंधेरे में पत्थर नहीं मारता. क्या बोल रहा है उन्होंने? स्टडी द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ द फर्स्ट टू पेयर ऑफ द वर्ड्स एंड देन कंप्लीट द सीरीज बोलता है. सो गाइज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. काउ स्टैंड्स फॉर ऑक्सन. काउस बहुत सारे गाइज है, फीमेल काउस. ऑक्सन बहुत सारे के वहां मेल. आफ्टर दैट फाउंटेन. ये क्या है फाउंटेन? फाउंटेन एक ऐसे हर जगह पे क्या किया जाता है, म्यूजिक फाउंटेन है, wheresoever there are the gardens, and nowadays such type of the attractive what we can say the scenes are going to just going to create, so that they are going to attract to the tourist. Fountain है. In the same way fountain है, fountain is going to, I mean the opposite of the fountain is waterfall. I mean the antonym of the fountain is waterfall, and waterfall is the opposite of or antonym of fountain. In the same way oxen is the opposite of antonym of cows, and cows are the opposite of auction. Why it is so? Study the relationship of the first two pair of the words and complete the series. Over. Now cow stands for oxen, fountain stands for waterfall. In the same way second one, what is there? Nightmare is there. Nightmare ख्वाब है, ख्वाब. Understand कैसे ख्वाब होता है? यहाँ बहुत सारे ख्वाब होते हैं, उसके साथ साथ ड्रीम है, ड्रीम. अंडरस्टैंड कैसे ड्रीम होता है, ख्वाब कैसे होता है? या दोनों एक्शन रात को ही होते हैं. How they are? Yeah, sometimes it can be called a little bit what you can say the nightmares are supposed to be in what you can say negative form, dreams are supposed to be in positive form. Understand? Nightmare है. Understand? वो ख्वाब बहुत ही खतरनाक था, गुजरे हुए दिन बहुत ही खतरनाक थे. That's nightmare में. When we go in recall, when we retrospect at the time. Dream क्या है? सपना है. चेहरा तेरा चेहरा सपना है मेरा. Understand? ये ड्रीम है. अब ये क्या है? Nightmare is standing for dream. It means that word, that nightmare is going to express the meaning of synonym word. Nightmare dreams. Now spinster का synonym क्या हुआ? Spinster का synonym है a young beautiful unmarried lady. Spinster. The synonym of spinster is a young beautiful lady. So what it is there? It is the synonym of what we can say the spinster, a young beautiful lady. That has been called as a what we can say that spinster. Remember nightmare को ड्रीम बोल रहा है, तो स्पिंस्टर किसके लिए स्टैंड होता है वो पूछता है. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में काउज ऑक्सन एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है, तो फाउंटेन क्या एक्सप्रेस करता है? ठीक उसी तरह डीप है. व्हाट इज डीप? हियर ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू, डीप इज एन एडजेक्टिव. डीप ये जो है विशेषण है, लेकिन उस एडजेक्टिव को नाउन में कन्वर्ट किया उसने. He has converted that adjective into noun, and another word he has given to you, that is also an adjective, though it is going to express the meaning of verb, but here it is adjective, and assuming that it is an adjective, we have to just give the noun form of association. What is associate? That associate, the noun form of associate is association. It is association. Try to understand, my dears, what it is there. Analogy is none other than what it is there. Study the relationship of the first two pair of the words and complete the forthcoming series. Over. उसके अंदर क्या देता है? नाउन देता है, एडजेक्टिव पूछता है, या एडजेक्टिव देता है, नाउन पूछता है, या वर्ब देता है, एडवर्ब फॉर्म पूछता है, या कंजंक्शन देता है, उसका प्रीपोजिशन नाउन फॉर्म पूछता है. तो इसके लिए क्या करना है, हमें थोड़ा माइंड रिलीफ रख के उसके बारे में सोचना है. बाबा ये जो दिया गया प्रॉब्लम है किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, ऑन विच इट इज गोइंग टू डिपेंड. सो देन यू विल कम टू नो हाउ टू बी सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. नाउ deep is adjective, depth is noun, associate is adjective, association is noun. Now what it is there, ये we is going to express the meaning of ourselves. we ये क्या है, प्लूरल प्रोनाउन है, उसको we ourselves ने कन्वर्ट किया है. ourselves what it is going to express, ourselves is going to express the meaning of relative pronoun, that too in plural. Why? We ourselves. Understand? In the same way, they is there, then what will be the relative pronoun of they? Sorry, what will be the relative pronoun of them? That is themselves. So it is always going to ask the question number second one in annual exam and midterm exam, and also whenever in any one of the schools the series exams are going to conduct, then such type of the problems are supposed to be asked. That is question number second one. First one, it is MCQs, and in MCQs what will be there, you will have been given the 4 alternatives. Out of 4 alternatives, what you have to do, you have to choose the most appropriate word and fill in the blanks or complete the gap. In this way you will have been given one of the problems, and it is always the first question will be there. Second question, it's of an analogy, and in analogy what will be there, already I told you, दोबारा मैं फिर वही बोल रहा हूं, और अगेन फिर वही दिलाया हूं. दोबारा मैं अभी बोलने जा रहा हूं. क्या बोलने जा रहा हूं कि बाबा एनालॉजी क्या होता है. एनालॉजी में कुछ नहीं है, और थोड़ा म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग अगर करके आप समझ लेंगे, डेफिनेटली यू विल सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम. देयर इज नो डाउट एट ऑल. हाउ इट इज देयर, नाउ यू सी प्लीज. काउस ऑक्सन, अपोजिट. काउ ऑक्स और काउस ऑक्सन. फाउंटेन वाटरफॉल. क्या है फाउंटेन वाटरफॉल? ये को क्या दिया है उन्होंने, एंटोनिम दिया है, और दूसरों को भी एंटोनिम क्या होता है उसके बारे में पूछता है. अपोजिट, काऊ का अपोजिट ऑक्सन है, काउस का अपोजिट ऑक्सन है, तो फाउंटेन का अपोजिट वाटरफॉल आता है. नाइटमेयर का सिनोनिम ड्रीम है, तो स्पिंस्टर का सिनोनिम क्या होता है, अ यंग ब्यूटीफुल लेडी होता है. एंड थर्ड वन व्हाट इट इज देयर, डीप है. डीप इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव, और उसका क्या पूछा है उन्होंने, ऑलरेडी इट हैज गिवन, व्हाट इट हैज गिवन, एडजेक्टिव का नाउन फॉर्म दिया है. कौन सा नाउन फॉर्म है, डेप्थ है. डीप कन्वर्ट्स इनटू डेप्थ, लेकिन एसोसिएट का में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. एसोसिएट इज गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इनटू एसोसिएशन. एट लास्ट fourth one is there, we is going to express the meaning of plural pronoun, whereas its reflective pronoun has been given, that is ourselves, and them you have to give the reflective pronoun of them, that is themselves. So in this way such type of the problems are supposed to be occurring always in 10th standard first language English subject, that too in model question paper, and also in either it is a preparatory exam or it is an annual exam. In that also such type of problems are supposed to be asked. Therefore you are supposed to be ready. So guys, if you have understood, so please do not forget to like it, and if you want something more, so please give your suggestions in comment box so that I can prepare for that one. If you like it, but do not forget to subscribe it. So guys, please watch my video up to the end and subscribe it properly so that I can reach up to you first of all. Till then, take care.